Yes guys, my name's Blue Badger and welcome back to another epic Airsoft gameplay video. In this video we are playing at Incursion Airsoft in Epsom, which is actually located inside an old abandoned air raid shelter from World War II. Anyways guys, enough talking, let's get straight into it with a game of attack. Also be sure to stick around for the end for some epic and funny moments.
Go ahead, man. I'll turn my camera on. Whoa!
Move up, move up. Is that clear? Should we move up? Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh. I have to go back this way a bit. I was born in. Hey! Good man. Jesus! Where'd you come from? Dead man! Right, our spawn's just here, right? Is there anyone in the right hiding though? Whoa! Why the blue barrel? Yeah. Go! Go!
Myself with that.
Oh shit, I'm stuck in the line. Hey! There man!
This is now 4.
Right, move out, move out. Watch this, because this is a fucking brutal bit. Oh, I'm not shooting shit.
And with that game now over, I'm going to show you guys a game of Kill House. This one was intense.
Run out of gas.
What's going on? Oh, you're... Wait, you didn't... Dead man, I don't... Did you shoot anything? I don't know if you hit my vest or you didn't shoot anything then.
Did not.
Okay, yeah, I'll take it. I'll join your team. Right, I'm coming for you, boys! Ah, fuck, dead man. Yeah, nice one. Right. Yeah, I've still got a frag, no. I'm flash, come get me. Where you at, Lewis? Tell me your coordinates. No. Dead man. Is that everyone? Ah, hit.
I'm turning it, I'm coming backwards.
I was so confused. I was going.
I saw you do that. I was like, what the fuck?
I was like, I could have shot you, but I was like, okay. Then for a second I was thinking, wait, one of our team members was in there? I'm so confused.
That was a fucking solid attempt. I'll give you that. Actually kind of worked.
And with that absolute shit show now over, I'm going to show you guys a little portion of the defending round where at the end my gun literally decided to commit a war crime on someone.
The fuck? Sorry, mate, here. Sorry, I don't know what the fuck has happened to my gun.
What happened here was the gas valve on my mag got completely stuck down, causing all the BBs to fly out. Luckily, it didn't go straight into someone's face, or that would have been a different video for a different day. Anyways, on to some funny moments now. Hope you guys enjoy.
How did you do exactly? Very well. Ow, you dickhead!
want to see something that will hurt?
Jesus.
Alright, no, fuck off, fuck off.
Mate, I paid 60 odd quid.
Oh, that's
You want something that will hurt, mate? Bend over.
Do you know the kind of girlfriends I get?
Ah.
You fucking dickhead!
Got ya!
Anyways guys, that is just about going to bring an end to this video. I really hope you have enjoyed. If you have, be sure to leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next video and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace out. Also, be sure to subscribe to my brother, Make It Rain. His link is in the description. He was also here this day and he'll have a video out real soon.